is terrible.
Oh.
So much.
What? You want some cookies in it?
What happened to the college?
guess I have no
Wait,
choice.
wait a minute. What's going on, Uncle Joel?
Oh well, we made him a
Oh.
shake.
We're making him a
Yeah,
shake.
he's got.
Wait,
he's got
Uncle Joel, what's the bet?
What? What? You gotta finish the
Oh,
whole shake.
I gotta finish this whole shake or I'm losing my mustache. And
What
that's,
happened to
that
it?
is
What
not
is college
happening.
dog?
I'm finishing it.
College dog.
It's happening.
What? You want another one?
No, I mean,
Oh,
No.
why? Oh, I would
No.
feel bad.
that'd be disgusting.
Cookies.
Oh, my balls!
PBR. And you know, what's Andy want a little Jack Daniels?
Why not?
Oh, vile.
I mean, come on. It's like so 2012.
YOLO. I'm not just Nick, now we just need the top half to Nick.
Oh, wait. What are you doing there?
Oh, we're just mixing it up a little bit.
Oh, wait. Don't stop the blender. I have to put my balls in there first.
Oh.
There we go. Now it's got everything.
Oh yeah.
I'll just
Did you
pretend.
want it in a bun?
No, put it in a
Here,
cup,
let's
please.
get a cup.
I'll just pretend it's a
Now we're
peach
fun cup.
smoothie.
It looks like
All right,
a
it's Mr. Smoothie time. I'm gonna puke. Just looking at it.
Oh.
Like he's
Oh,
drinking.
my god.
Oh, that's
God.
so much.
Is there a hot dog in there?
That's so much.
You'll be fine.
Oh,
That looks like
God.
vomit. It does not smell.
I can't even like look at his
Just in
phone.
case anyone's wondering, it does not smell pleasant. I need to make it prettier.
Whipped cream?
Yeah.
Put some food dye in there.
Oh my god.
Having some regrets
Wait,
there?
Hey, it's just like Bigby. Come on.
What all is in there?
So it doesn't look so bad anymore.
No.
Hey, what all is in there, Eric?
Is there
I
a
don't even
straw?
remember anymore.
What looks like a little smoothie?
Do you have a straw? Could you? Oh
Yep.
my
I got a
god.
spoon. I can do a spoon.
Oh.
There you go.
Oh.
Yum yum. Get it up.
Come on, Mr. Mustache.
Oh, god.
Oh my
We're all
god.
counting on you.
Oh my god. Oh. That's gotta
Oh,
kick.
makes me want to puke.
Oh.
Mustache is gonna go.
Mm-mm, no, it's not. You want to see how much I care about my mustache?
Oh God.
Oh no, go rid of it.
Bye, Mr. Mustache!
Man.
Let me do a little stick on one. Looks like this is last night. Eric's gonna call him Mr. Mustache.
Oh.
Mr. Hitler is what it's gonna be.
Eric is gonna be Eric with the hair again.
Oh.
Because he's gonna be mustacheless.
Oh. Oh. Oh my god. Oh. Okay. I got a couple hours to do this.
Wait,
show.
so how much do you care about your mustache? Can you show us again?
You got that. Come
Start drinking it.
That's just a fun one, Pat.
Oh.
Are you gonna lose your mustache tonight, Eric?
Gonna lose something.
Oh god.
Oh. It didn't even go down at all.
You shake the whipped cream off top.
That was the best part. It was gonna take a while. So you have to film all this.